Life is short, but not in the way you think. It's not the number of years that makes life short. It's how many of those years you actually live with purpose. The average person lives about 78 years. That's roughly 28,000 days. But if you subtract the time spent sleeping, scrolling, stuck in traffic, doing things you don't care about, you're left with a fraction of that. That's the illusion of time. You don't have a lifetime. You have a few focused years, if you're lucky. The question isn't, how do I get more time? The real question is, how do I spend it wisely? Most people aren't really living. They're just executing a script handed to them by society. Go to school, get a job, work 9 to 5, retire, then finally enjoy life. But here's the hard truth. Retirement is not guaranteed. Are you living intentionally or just reacting? The default life is designed to make you busy, not fulfilled. You wake up, check your phone, chase meaningless tasks, binge mindless content, and repeat. You're not running out of time. You're wasting it. You don't need more time. You need clarity on what matters. Remember how summers felt endless when you were a kid? But now, entire years vanish in a blink. That's not just aging. That's how your brain works. Your brain measures time based on new experiences. As you fall into routine, time feels like it speeds up. And before you know it, entire months disappear. To stretch time, you need to break the pattern. Do things that are unfamiliar, challenging, uncomfortable. Learn something new. Travel. Speak to strangers. Live wide, not just long. Time expands when you stop living on autopilot. Here's the truth. You don't need more hours. You need more energy per hour. 8 drained hours don't equal 4 energized ones. If you're tired, distracted, unhealthy, more time won't help you. It will just feel heavier. You need to guard your energy like a sacred resource. Cut distractions. Distance yourself from people who drain you. Design a morning that centers you. Your calendar means nothing if you show up to it empty. Now imagine this. You're 85 years old. You're lying in bed, and there's no more time left. What do you wish you'd done more of? Do you regret not working longer hours? Spending more time trying to impress strangers online? Or do you wish you had more moments with the people you love? More time being truly present? More risks taken instead of avoided? Every Sunday, ask yourself, if I live this exact week 100 more times, would I be proud? This isn't morbid. This is clarity. Facing death gives life urgency. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Most people work jobs they hate, to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. That's not success. That's slavery with a salary. Use money to buy back time. Invest in experiences, not objects. Buy freedom, not lifestyle inflation. True wealth isn't a number in your bank account. It's control over how you spend your day. Want to multiply time? Build habits that compound. 10 pages a day becomes 36 books a year. 10 push-ups a day becomes 3,600 a year. One deep conversation a week changes your entire relationship dynamic. Small actions repeated daily. That's how you change your trajectory. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You just need to repeat what matters. Consistently, relentlessly, intentionally. Because life isn't a rehearsal. You don't get to try again. Every choice, what to focus on, what to ignore, who to love, what to build, is either a deposit into a life worth living or a withdrawal you'll regret. You don't have infinite days, but that's not a problem. That's what gives your days meaning. So start now. Pick one idea from this message. Apply it today, not tomorrow, not someday, today, because the time to live fully isn't later. It's now.